Today we're making pasta alla Vesuviana, which is a quick and easy recipe, but packs tons and tons of flavor. This recipe, as the name suggests, Vesuviana, so from the Mount Vesuvius, takes us to Campania and the Gulf of Naples, and is a really close cousin to the well-known Puttanesca, with a little bit of, little changes, but still packs a ton of flavor. And the best thing about this is that it takes pretty much the same time as cooking the pasta, so it's a win-win situation. For the ingredients, we have the elephant garlic, which, if you follow me, you know I absolutely love it. It's got all the properties of normal garlic, without the bad things. So you don't have the heavy aftertaste in your stomach and in your breath, but you get all that kind of garlicky feel when you cook it. So it's fantastic. It comes from Val di Chiana in Tuscany. Sometimes it can be found abroad. If you do, buy it. We're gonna use extra virgin olive oil, capers, olives. I've chosen 2 different varieties, but you do whatever you want. Some chili. This time is dry. Fresh is equally nice, but I've tried this summer from Italy and it tastes amazing. Then we have some canned tomatoes. I like these ciliegini canned tomatoes because they're extra sweet. Some fior di latte mozzarella or normal mozzarella is equally fine. Parsley, and we're gonna cook them with linguine pasta. But again, spaghetti, rigatoni, you do what you want. And it actually is that quick, so I'm gonna start with boiling the water. Let's start with the garlic and check out how huge this clove is. It's absolutely incredible. So we probably just need a third of it. And we just need to slice it thinly and small. As usual, the first thing is preparing the base, infusing the olive oil. So our garlic goes in, and here you'll see that I've used a lot more garlic than I normally use, but that's because this recipe needs to be garlicky. Extra virgin olive oil, pasto della palomba as usual. And also here, a little bit of abundance. We want it nice and rich. And we're gonna add the stems of parsley. The parsley leaves, when you cook them, they burn and they become bitter and they become, but the stems don't and release all the flavor into the oil. So they're perfect to go here at the beginning. And into the fire, a low setting, and you let it infuse slowly. And in the meantime, you prepare the chili. The chili burns faster than the garlic. So you start off always garlic, oil, parsley, then chili. And this recipe needs to have a bit of a kick, so don't be shy. Once you see a little bit of bubbles forming around the garlic, then we can put the chili in. And I've got to say, the biggest mistake I see done by everybody when cooking garlic is burning it. When garlic starts to go beyond golden and into brown, that's it. The garlic has burnt, you've ruined whatever you've made. So you have to be very careful never to get to that stage. And also, once it's burned, it's super hard to digest and you won't have a date for like months. So nobody wants that. And once the garlic is golden, we put in our tomatoes. We use some water to clean the can and just add it to our sugo. And see, these are the cherry tomatoes that I was telling you about. They're gonna be super sweet. Again, low heat, and this needs to cook for about 15 minutes. Down we take our capers. And you can choose as many or as little as you like. And our olives, similar thing. When I make it, I like it quite rich, so let's put a few. And we just chop it coarsely. And that's it, that's all we need. Once the sauce begins to tighten a little bit, so we remove the stems, make sure we fished all of them out. And we add the capers and olives. Nice mix. Roll in boil, salt the water. Our linguine. Go in. Towards the end, we salted the sugo. So we prepare our parsley and the mozzarella. Mozzarella, you just want to cut it into little cubes. So slices and then cubes. Usual deal, guys. 2 minutes to spare. We finish cooking in the sugo. What do I need to tell you? You guys know that already. And by the way, if you've not done it already, put a thumbs up on the video if you like it, and leave me a comment so that YouTube knows that this is a cool video and to show it to other people. Pasta water. So the pasta is cooked, fire is off, some parsley, and we add our mozzarella cubes. And one final mix. And the heat from the pasta will be enough to melt the mozzarella. So when you have a bite, you're gonna have these stringy mozzarella bites in it. It's gonna be amazing. This plate of spaghetti packs some serious flavor. And then you got all these stringy mozzarella bites. This thing is amazing. Check it out. Check it out. I'm slightly burning myself, but it's amazing. And it's quick. So go ahead and do it. Buon appetito.